5 Most Awaited Upcoming Bollywood Movies in 2017. 5. Chef. Release date, October 6th. Director, Raja Krishna Menon. Star cast, Chef Ali Khan, Sophanat Hulapala, Padmapriya. Jon Favreau's Chef isn't great by any stretch of the imagination, but it still is a very well-made feel-good movie, and it would be interesting to see how it is adapted into an Indian setting. Raja Krishna Menon impressed us last year with Airlift, and it remains to be seen if he can recreate the magic. 4. Badshah Ho. Release date, September 1st. Director, Milan Luthria. Star cast, Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi, Esha Gupta, Ileana D. Cruz. Luthria has been a hit or miss. His last feature, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara, was a colossal disappointment, but we still believe he is a talented filmmaker and hope Badshah Ho will go more along the lines of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai and The Dirty Picture, two of his finest works. 3. Padmavati. Release date, November 17th. Director, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Star cast, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, Deepika Padukone. Bhansali and team swept us off our feet with Bajirao Mastani. With Rani Padmavati, the stakes as well as the expectations will be even higher. Ranveer Singh, who was exceptional as Bajirao, plays Alauddin Khilji, a ruler from Delhi who invades Mewar to capture Radhan Singh's wife, the exquisite Padmavati, Deepika Padukone. Radhan Singh is being played by Shahid Kapoor, his first collaboration with Bhansali. Exciting enough? 2. Simran. Release date, September 15th. Director, Hansal Mehta. Star cast, Kangana Ranaut. Hansal Mehta's last feature Aligarh was a regular fixture in most of the best of lists of 2016, and the talented director returns with a drama starring Kangana Ranaut. Not much about the film is known, but considering the role that Mehta is on with Shahid, City Lights and Aligarh, we are looking forward to this one. 1. Secret Superstar. Release date, October 19th. Director, Udvet Chandan. Star cast, Zaira Wasim, Meher Vij, Amir Khan. The only reason why this movie finds a mention in this list is because it an Amir Khan Productions feature, starring Khan, albeit probably not in the lead. Now if you are wondering why this matters, take a look at the movies produced by Amir Khan Productions till date: Lagan, Johnny Tu Ya Johnny Na, Peeply Live, Dobie God, Delhi Belly, Talash, and Dangal. Give me your feedback about this video in comment section. If you like this video, so click on like button. And don't forget to subscribe. At the end, thanks for watching.